Hello, my name is Adi, a high school student. I'm just doing normal high school students, but there's been something strange. I don't really know what it is precisely, but I think it is the way that people at my school have been acting. I am walking home, just a simple walk to the little park, I suppose. However, something is a little odd. I know that it's nothing. I think.
Hey everybody, really quick before the bell rings, I know we're almost done with school. If you haven't seen the weather this week, there's a nasty storm on the way. A lot of severe weather warnings, so as you're going home, getting ready to do things, just be careful.
Man, that storm's coming in so quickly. It's odd that it darkens so fast.
I don't think it's gonna be that bad. It's probably nothing.
What? No, I think there's gonna be thunder.
I don't think so.
Okay. Stuff is disappearing. This storm's been super weird.
Are you sure? I haven't seen anything weird.
What? No, you know that one teacher that teaches that one thing? He's gone.
Is he really?
Yeah, because of the storm, I swear.
Are you sure he's just not sick or anything?
No, I think the storm has something super weird going on.
I don't know. I'm pretty sure he's just sick.
Oh my god, I can't with you.
Danica, you know who I haven't seen in a while?
Who?
Tessa. I don't know what happened to her.
Is she skipping or something?
I have no idea. I feel like she just disappeared.
That's really weird.
Hey Rex, there's been a lot of talk about a storm recently and there's been a big increase in absences and disappearance from students. The storm is no excuse to skip class. Please just go to class. But anyways, it's finally fall, so don't forget to get your pumpkin spice latte in the morning.
Something doesn't seem right. It got so quiet all of a sudden.
I don't think so, but I don't really care. Anyways, where did you go? Could I get the math homework answers?
It's feel everywhere. We were in a mass of people, and all alone at the same time. Something was terribly off. We couldn't talk about the storm. It was nameless, and it filled the entire room. I was in that town, admittedly and regrettably. I also said nothing about that disappearance. However, I didn't say a word about it, but to do something because I didn't know if I could trust the others. What has happened to my school? There have been things of students vanishing in the lunchroom. And the storm, I don't even know what's going on anymore. It was a frightening realization that my school isn't the same anymore. I find myself rationalizing everything. Am I too darn mad? Inside of the storm. It was normal, but it did not last. There was a sensation that started to keep closer to us. All these disappearances, the students, the teachers, why am I the only one noticing? Why am I staying tight? Life is still going on, but in other ways, it isn't. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm overreacting. Maybe the storm is good, and the disappearance...